Hi guys, welcome back to another video. So I'm going to try and address the question how to get funds for forex trading. It's a question that sometimes asked in the comment sections of my videos. Somebody wants to trade a forex but they don't have the funds. How can they go about raising funds for forex trading? So if you have any other ideas that you also want to share, you can also leave them in the comment section below. Let's talk about this. Let's help one another. How did you fund your forex trading? How did you fund your forex trading? Leave your thoughts and your comments in the comment section below so that we help one another. Okay, so getting funds for forex trading can be a bit of a challenge, especially if you're going to be starting from zero. If you don't have any money to start with and you're going to be starting from zero, it can be a bit of a challenge, but with a bit of creativity and planning, it's very possible to raise the capital that you need for trading. So in this video, I'm going to share some of the stuff that I've seen people doing to raise money for trading, and basically you can figure out which one works for you. And by the way, you don't need to raise a lot of money to start trading. The brokers that I use, you can start with as low as $10. The links are in the description box below. So typically you will need to just raise about $10, $20, $50. Then you can start trading. You don't need to raise thousands and thousands of dollars before you can start trading. And there are also advantages of starting from as low as $10, $5, $20, $50. You also get to practice your craft without putting too much money on the line at first. Until you figure out how things are working, then you can add more to your trading capital. So the first thing that I would say is, if you have a personal savings, then you can start trading. I've seen people who they are working somewhere else and they've been saving some money on the side. So you can take some of that savings and you can use it to start your trading career, or to fund your trading if you're already trading. So basically you just need to be a person who knows how to manage their money, how to budget their money, so that at the end of every month you are left with some savings. Then you take those some of those savings and you deposit them into your trading account. That's how most people have started trading. The other thing is side hustles. It's a favorite of mine. I also did this when I was starting my trading, because trading was it had a bad name, as sometimes it still has a bad name, but back in the day you couldn't tell people that I'm trying to do trading. So I couldn't dig into my savings without my girlfriend, who is now my wife, noticing that, hey, something's going on, something fishy is going on. And I wasn't confident enough because I wasn't making any money back then, so I wasn't confident enough to tell her that, hey, I'm doing this trading thing. So the only thing for me was to actually do some side hustles on the side, like freelancing, graphic designing, programming websites and things like that. So when I got that extra money, then I would go and deposit into my trading accounts, and I would blow the accounts. No biggie, because nobody would know, because I wasn't that confident to tell people that, hey, I'm doing this trading. So the side hustles has also been used by many people that I know to actually go and find some extra money out there. Then they come and they deposit into their trading account. Then as they start growing that trading account, they also withdraw money and reinvest in the trading account until people now start trading a huge capital in their accounts. So you can do side hustles, you can do part-time jobs. If you're good with something, you can just do it and charge people and take that money and start trading. There's also another option nowadays. I think I've had some people who have actually gone and borrowed money from relatives. I've heard those stories. People who have borrowed money from relatives. Some people have also actually even gone to banks, and if somebody says I need a loan for a business and stuff like that, they do it properly, and the bank funds the business. The bank doesn't know that they are funding forex trading. And there are people who have gone to borrow money from relatives and friends to fund their trading. I'm not. I mean, leave your thoughts and comments in the comment section below. If you've done it and how did it go? But most of the time, I've seen that friends, relatives, loans. When it comes to forex trading, that one is very, very, very risky. I've seen people who have destroyed like relationships with family, with friends, because they took money from relatives and friends, and they promised, hey, I'm going to go into this forex trading, we're going to be swimming in money very soon, and then they go and blow all that money. So I wouldn't recommend it unless you really need to do that. I wouldn't recommend taking money from relatives and friends unless they like, hey, don't worry, don't forget about it, don't worry about it. But most of the time, people would get into trouble with money borrowed from close friends, relatives and stuff. So it's an option, but I wouldn't say do it unless, well, if your relatives or your friends are like, hey, we're good, just take the money, see what you can do. If you make money, it's fine. If you don't make the money, it's fine. Then that's good. Bank loans, that's a terrible one, because it damages your credit score, and also you might actually lose all the money and get into all kinds of trouble. But people have done it. People have done it before. So yeah, if you did that one, leave your thoughts in the comment section below. I would like to hear how did it go. Then there is one major trading funding way method that is now popular, which is trading prop with prop firms, FTMO, my forex funds. I know about prop firms. There's been a big issue in the US, and some prop firms are banned in the US, and there's a big thing about prop firms. But prop firms are also a good way to raise capital for trading if you know what you're doing. If you know what you're doing, you can take the various prop firm challenges, and if you are good, they can approve you and they give you funds to trade with. So you trade with their money. You are trading with somebody else's money, and when you make a profit, you actually split the profit. That's what funded trader accounts do. So if you don't have money but you think you are good, you can actually take these prop firm challenges, prove that you are good, then they give you the money, then you could go and start your trading. That's another way of funding for trading. There are many other ways that I've also seen people doing it. Like I said, borrowing money on their credit cards. People go and open credit cards and then they fund their trading. I've seen also people go into competitions. Sometimes some of these companies or brokerages and stuff like that, sometimes they offer trading competitions, and people actually go there and prove that they are good, and they actually they win funding. So that's the same thing. I think it ties in with the idea of the prop firm challenges. You need to prove that you are good. Then some people are willing to just sponsor you, and you can start your trading journey. How did you raise money for your trading? Let's help each other, help other people there who are trying to raise money for trading. Leave your thoughts in the comment section below. Guys, I'll see you in the next one. Bye.